Hey everyone, welcome to the world of JavaScript security. In this session, we're going to explore the essential practices that every developer should know to keep their applications safe and secure. It's a bit like the Wild West out there, with threats lurking around every corner. Today we'll dive into common vulnerabilities like cross-site scripting and SQL injection. These are some of the most frequent issues that can compromise your web applications. But don't worry, we'll also arm you with best practices to fortify your defenses. From input validation to proper authentication methods, we've got you covered. So grab your coding helmets, and let's get started. By the end of this session, you'll be well equipped to tackle the challenges of JavaScript security head-on. First up, cross-site scripting or XSS. Prevent this by validating user input using content security policy and encoding user-generated content. Next, cross-site request forgery or CSRF. Outwit CSRF by using tokens, validating request headers, and implementing the same origin policy. Now let's talk about SQL injection. Thwart SQL injection with parameterized queries, validating user input, and limiting database privileges. Chapter 4. Client-side injection. Client-side injection is a critical security vulnerability where malicious code is injected into a web application. This can lead to unauthorized access, data theft, and other malicious activities. Prevent this by validating user input, implementing content security policy, and encoding user-generated content. These measures ensure only trusted code is executed, protecting your application and its users from potential threats. Always stay vigilant and keep your security measures up to date. Chapter 5. Sensitive data exposure. Protect sensitive data with robust encryption and limit access to authorized personnel. Remember, protecting sensitive data is an absolute necessity. Chapter 6. Use a secure protocol. HTTPS with TLS encryption creates a secure channel between client and server. Using HTTPS is the foundation of a secure web experience. It ensures that data transmitted between the user and the website remains confidential and integral. Without HTTPS, sensitive information like passwords and credit card numbers can be intercepted by malicious actors. Always check for the padlock icon in the URL bar to confirm a secure connection. Implementing HTTPS is essential for protecting user privacy and maintaining trust. Now let's talk about validating user input. By validating input, we can prevent attacks like cross-site scripting and SQL injection. Let's explore Content Security Policy or CSP. CSP mitigates cross-site scripting by specifying trusted sources for scripts and other resources. Regularly updating dependencies is crucial for maintaining a secure application. Updates often include important security fixes. Finally, let's talk about the Web Application Firewall, or WAF. WAFs filter out malicious traffic and protect against common web attacks. Building secure applications is an ongoing process. Follow best practices like validating input, implementing CSP, and keeping dependencies up to date. Stay safe and keep coding.